What is good, guys? TJ got Kicks 89 and I'm back with a massive unboxing. Today we have 3 pickups from the Skechers and One Piece collaboration series. This is the Battle of Marineford series where you have 5 different characters here released in Asia, Southeast Asia exclusively, and you have an additional 5 or 4 more that release in the US. So I was very fortunate to have 3 pairs here with me. One of them belongs to my brother in Russia, who was very keen to pick this up. Let me just have him make a very quick cameo in this video. Say hi, Jao. What's up, everybody? Yeah. So he's doing this with me right now and just seeing how we basically do this, because he wants to check out the shoes as well. So we've got 3 here, and I'm just gonna unbox them one by one and just tell you what I think about them, a little bit of history behind that character, so to speak. So the first one that we have, let's get into the box. This is the box that it comes with. It's the One Piece Battle of Marineford poster, so to speak, with all of the characters in the series that basically have the shoes with Skechers. Just the standard box, and you have the size tag with the picture of the shoes that it houses. We are fortunate to pick the one that I picked out, which is Blackbeard. So let's check this out. So this is the Blackbeard the Blackbeard Skechers collaboration. Just a little bit of background behind this shoe. This is actually the Skechers Lite 3, and which is a very popular model here in Asia in general. A lot of K-pop guys wear this shoe because, to be frank, it's actually really mad comfortable. All of this is just foam. This is all just foam, and you just have like a few rubber pods here and there, and which is why it makes it just so fucking comfortable. They also have a memory foam insert in the inside there with the character Blackbeard, if you can see that. Yeah, the Skechers air cooled memory foam midsole, and that just adds to the overall comfort of the shoe. Right, so this shoe is just the Skechers Lite 3 with the colors from Blackbeard's outfit in the TV series. Primarily leather upper, smooth leather upper along the rand of the shoe, with this hit of red suede, which is slightly rougher, but it's pretty good quality. And on the back you got the synthetic leather with the print on Blackbeard's pants, I believe, with this jeweled Skechers logo in the back. And you've got some black mesh all the way from the toe box up until the mesh and around the collar. And along the eyelets you have these white and red stripes, just complementing the upper of the shoe, with black laces topping it all off. On the inside you've got the, like I mentioned, the memory foam midsole, insole, with this teal lining on the tongue of the shoe, which is like a really nice color pop. I wish they used this color a lot more throughout the shoe, but it's on the inside, still good to go. You've got the Lite 3 midsole, very chunky midsole, dad shoe style, with a hit of yellow in the back with the Skechers logo there. And on the outsole you have just got 4 rubber pods, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a primarily foam sitting on top of a primarily foam midsole, which comprises of EVA, and you've got the Skechers logo right there at the bottom. Now that will apply to all 3 of the shoes in this review, so I'm just gonna go through the colorways and tell you what I think. The reason why I picked this shoe up was because of its very Gucci-esque vibe. Very nice. I like the hit of red and the hit of green, and I think like if I made a lace swap where I used green laces instead of black, I think it would be a pretty nice touch. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into Faisal's shoe. You excited to see these in person? Yeah, you can't really hear him, but he's there. So this is his shoe. Hold on. This is his shoe. This is his shoe. This is, I believe, what was yours called again? Oh yeah, this is the Jinbei character from the One Piece series. Same thing, primarily leather upper with the suede on the side. I believe this is the print on his pants at the back, I believe. Is that right? Yeah, it's a print on the back of his pants. Same jeweled out logo, except on this one you have that baby blue complementing the lace loops. Oh, and on the inside you've got the character Jinbei in there with a red tongue. I really love the baby blue that on this shoe. I think it really pops. On the midsole you've got this blue hit with the same kind of features as the Blackbeard One Piece shoes now, except now you have baby blue on the pods on the medial and lateral side of the shoe. Do you think this shoe is going to be comfortable, Joe?
Yeah.
You can tell, right? Do you own a pair? Do you own a pair yourself?
Yes, I do. An old 8-legs model.
Ah, okay. Awesome. If you can hear that, basically Faisal just said that they are his favorite shoes to wear in Russia because he's a comfort beast. He only wears what's comfortable for him. So let's pull out Fatin's pair. Fatin is a good friend of Faisal who is also into One Piece, and she got the what was this character called again, Faisal?
Law.
This is the Law colorway, so to speak. Same kind of features, smooth leather upper, you got suede on the side. It seems that all of these shoes sort of just have the same kind of construction where you have suede on the side, leather on the upper, and I think that rings true for all 5 of the shoes that I saw in store. On the back you've got this really nice leopard print, very 90s, and I think because of the color yellow that they used here, the lace holes kind of pop a lot more on the shoe, and that piping on the suede rand just adds to the overall feel and look of the shoe. White mesh, yellow mesh tongue on top, and this teal kind of, oh sorry, it's baby blue on the inside of the tongue. The same jeweled Skechers logo, hit of baby blue there, hit of baby blue there, except for Law's shoe you got the Skechers logo in the middle in yellow. So I think that takes care of the review for all of these Skechers One Piece collab shoes. Thank you Faisal for making a cameo in this video. Say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye.
There's Ada there. I'll be seeing Faisal very soon on the 28th or 27th of June because he'll be graduating then. Say bye Faisal.
Bye.
Alright. Okay, so that takes care of this review, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my videos. You guys keep me going. I'll see you guys at the next one. Thanks so much for watching. TJ Got Kicks. I am out.